Hello student, myself Mr. Sadanshu SV, Department of Mathematics, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya, Chapoli. Welcome all of you in semester 6. So, I hope all of you passed semester 5th with a very high score. Congratulations all of you. Dear student, today we are going to introduce syllabus of paper number 15th, and the name of paper is numerical analysis. Pattern is same like that of the last semester, that is 5th semester. 40 marks theory and due to the pandemic there is change in our patterns. 50 questions asked in the exams, we are asked in the exams, and all questions are compulsory. That means 40 questions asked in examination and 10 marks for internal examination. MCQ's pattern is there from the winter 2020 examination. Okay. It's okay. Now we discuss about our syllabus. Unit first is differences, operators, interpolations with equal intervals. So, students, this paper numerical analysis is applied paper, and most of there is a calculatory part. So, it is very interesting to do calculation for you. Now, in chapter first or in unit first, that is there are differences, operators, interpolations with the equal intervals. So, introduction is there, what is meant by differences, then factorial notation. Up to the 12th standard we surely know about what is meant by factorial of the numbers. So, like that in these chapters we will study on factorial of the polynomial, that means factorial of polynomial. Example, if 3 factorial, that means 3 factorial, we know the notation of 3 factorial. 3 factorial is the 3 into 2 into 1. So, it is product of 3 first natural number, that is the 3 factorial. So, in this way we will discuss the factorials of the polynomial. Then after there are some operators, E, properties of E, then delta, operator capital D and reverse delta, that means some people say it only del, some say to it reverse del. So, as per our convenience, which is a convenient, so people use that things to hear, that is reverse del or reverse delta or just del. After that there is interpolation, see interpolation, extrapolation, interpolation with equal interval, Newton rigorous formula for the forward and backward interpolation, equidistance terms and one or more missing terms, then interpolation for unequal interval of the argument, then divided differences and unequal intervals, divided differences when you or more arguments are same, then properties of divided differences and so on. So, these are the terms included in unit first. So, all these concepts, what is meant by argument, what is meant by entry, what is meant by dependent variable, what is meant by independent variable. So, some concepts, out of this some concepts we have already studied in previous class in up to the last semesters, that is first year, second year and this 5th semester. We have already discussed some points. Now, unit second. In unit second, there are properties of divided differences. Divided differences. Some theorems will be there. Then Newton's formula for the unequal interval. Very interesting formula, and that is the Newton's formula for unequal intervals. After that, Lagrange's formula for unequal intervals. Then central differences. Central differences is delta, del, sigma, mu and so on. These are notations. Interpolation formulae like Gauss formula, Bessel's formula, Stirling formulas, all these formulas. So, includes in unit second. Next is the unit third. There is a numerical differentiation and numerical integration. So, in numerical differentiation, there is introduction of derivative. What is meant by derivative? We have already knew about it. So, what is meant by derivative? After that, approximate expression for the derivative of the function, then unsymmetrical expression for the third order derivative, etc. Next is the numerical quadrature. Numerical quadrature is an important and very important formula. Is there. Then introduction of that formula, then general quadrature formula, how we can derive trapezoidal Simpson's 1/3 rule, after that 3/8 rules, Wedel's rule, by using the general quadrature formula. All these theories includes in numerical quadrature. After some numerical solutions of ordinary differential equation. That means, using numerical analysis, we can find out using some different methods, iterative methods, approximations method, and some other methods we can use to solve the ordinary differential equations. So, there is an introduction. After that, equation of first order. It is just a preliminary studies. So, there is no precise information given, or we will not discuss precisely. It is just so here there is only first order differential equation is taken. Then Euler's method, Euler modified methods, Picard methods, Taylor series methods. These are the methods by using we can find the solution of ordinary differential equation. Textbook. See here textbook. Textbooks is written by S.C. Saxena, and name of textbooks is Finite Differences and Numerical Analysis. S. Chand and Company, reprints 2001. I think so. Few copies of these books may be available in our college library, but due to the pandemic situation, we can't go in college and we cannot take the books for our study. So, dear student, every student, I hope every student using internet very fastly, very precisely. So, I suggest you that you try to download these books from any available materials, any websites. Otherwise, you should purchase these books from Flipkart, Snapdeal, then Amazon, etc. I will try to upload these books, that is soft copy of these books, on our SMC library group or our student groups. You try to study, and I hope you will regularly visit to our YouTube channels, subscribe this YouTube channel, and like each and every video. And if you have any difficulties, then you can ask any questions, you can comments on any concepts, then I will can revise it for you. So, student, some references books are also given. Shastri's book is given, then Krishnamurti's book is given, M.K. Jain, Iyengar and R.K. Jain's book is given. Okay. So, these are books, but it is better to refer our only textbook. It is sufficient. Thank you very much.